on the other side, soulful renditions of Sufi music at the first International Qawwali Festival. Husne jana ki tareef mumkin nahi, afri afri. It's not possible to praise the beloved, oh, the most beautiful one. Believers of this genre exclaim that Qawwali not only transcends boundaries but also senses. It serves as a perspective that makes each fleeting moment a new learning. So let's take you to one of its kind, the first ever International Qawwali Festival in the national capital.
It's about surrendering to ecstasy, showcasing a musical transformation that no words can capture. Tali Ho, the name of the first ever International Qawwali Festival, looks to bring together artists of this genre or qawwals from around the globe, enthralling audience with that perfect blend of musical fervor and lyrical charm.
Music is music, whether it is classical or it is instrumental or it is the Bollywood music or it is Qawwali, each genre, or it is jazz or Beethoven, each genre has its beauty and it connects not only people but the soul. I mean, individually it connects you with your soul also.
The Junior Nizami brothers, youth who have steeped themselves in understanding the depths of this genre. The Sufiana style of the Qawwali, Astana Gaiki and the modern Qawwali tradition come almost naturally to them. The brothers hail from the famed Sikandrabad Gharana, which gave Indian music giants of the brilliance of Ustad Qudratullah Khan Sahib and Ustad Kaifiatullah Khan Sahib. For them, this festival is a landmark to preserving and propagating this rich tradition.
कव्वाली एक इबादत है, पूजा है, जो सीधी ईश्वर से जोड़ती है, जो लो लगती है ईश्वर से। सबसे अच्छा ज़रिया है कव्वाली।
कव्वाली जो है वो दिलों को जोड़ती है और कव्वाली से ही ख्याल गायकी है, ख्याल गायकी से ही कव्वाली है।
जहाँ तक ताली हो फेस्टिवल का सवाल है, इस फेस्टिवल का नाम है ताली हो, तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा नाम है क्योंकि कव्वाली के अंदर जो महत्वपूर्ण जो रोल है वो ताली का बहुत ज़्यादा है। ताली से जो है वो टेम्पो मिलती है।
Participants in the festival come from beyond the Indian subcontinent. Israeli singer and musician Shai Bentazur composes qawwalis in Hebrew, Urdu and Hindi, combining Sufi devotional music with a range of Western music elements.
Music is a universal language, and there's different poetries and different traditions, different languages. Sufi poetry is mostly, it's coming from the Sufi Islamic tradition, and that is going beyond the religion and spreading love for humanity.
And the highlight of the evening, the renowned Warsi brothers from Hyderabad. Their control over melody and their improvisation skills are the stuff of legend. Traditional Sufiana Qawwali, Ghazal, Thumri, Bhajan, classical Bandish, it's quite a bouquet that possess. And they unleash their brilliance here, taking the event to a whole new dimension.
कव्वाली हज़रत ख्वाजा मोइनुद्दीन चिश्ती की वजह से आई है और हमारे पूर्वज फोर फादर्स उनके साथ ही आए थे। तो जब से कव्वाली चलती आ रही है हमारे पास 900 साल के ऊपर।
कव्वाली में तो जुनून आता ही है, क्योंकि ये ऐसे बड़े सूफ़ी ख्वाजा साहब ने इसको फाउंडर हैं इसके, तो अब बड़ी खुशी होती है ये देखकर कि हिंदुस्तान में भी दोबारा से फिर इसको कई फेस्टिवल्स हो रहे हैं इसके सूफियाना कव्वाली के, और बहुत प्रमोट मिल रहा है इसको, बहुत तरक्की मिल रही है कव्वाली को। तो कव्वाली तो ऐसी चीज़ है कि आत्मा को परमात्मा से मिलाती है।
The International Qawwali Festival is to be held on an annual basis from here on, looking to preserve the brilliance of the Qawwali while looking to uncover new ground on improvisation and greater propagation.
Well, the event truly showcased the evolution that Qawwali has undergone with artists performing a fusion of old genre of music with a modern touch. That leads us into another short break.